Does my dog know this is a toy? Excuse his face.
Oh, I can't walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa!
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Come on, let's go.
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay? You okay?
No bite.
Brando.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
We are going on a road trip. Woo! Yeah!